Hey, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on my top 5 nude liquid lipsticks. Coincidentally, they're also all drugstore and affordable. They're easy to find, and I have a nice mix of warm tones and some cool tones in here as well. The liquid lipsticks I'm about to show you are going to fit a wide variety of skin tones. That is what I was going with this video. I didn't want just nude lipsticks for me. I wanted nude lipsticks for a decent range of skin tones. So while all of them may be liquid lipsticks, they're not all the complete dry down powder matte finish. Some of them are a little bit more satin, a little bit more creamy, more forgiving on the lip, and some are just complete boho lips, so you'll have to stay tuned to see which one is which. Of course, I'll be giving you some lip swatches as well as some hand swatches. My lips are a little bit raw right now from swatching and taking off and swatching and taking off, but hopefully you can get the gist of the products. So for me personally, it has been extremely hard to find nude liquid lipsticks because I have such a yellow undertone to my skin. I'm very, very olive and decently light skin on top of that. So I have to find liquid lipsticks that are kind of more mid-range in color, not too light and definitely not too deep, because then it ends up being a darker liquid lipstick for me. So when I classify something as nude, I classify it as a My Lips But Better shade. For me, this color may not be a nude, but for you, it very well may be. All the liquid lipsticks I'm talking about will be linked down below, as well as any other products that are on my face. They will all be down below, so check it out if you want to see what I have on my face right now. Before I begin, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. So if you want to see what my top 5 drugstore nude liquid lipsticks are, then just keep on watching. So the first one I have to talk about is the Hard Candy Velvet Mousse Matte Lip Color. I don't really see a lot of people talking about this on YouTube, and the shade I have it in is in Foxglove. This formula is so velvety smooth. It is exactly what it says, a velvet mousse. It is definitely more satin. It semi-dries down, so it still retains that moisture that you need to not make your lips look like a butthole. But it is still a beautiful color. It's still very, very long lasting. It will cling onto the lips and leave a stain for as long as you have it on. And I just love the packaging. The component is so sleek and just so much more bougie than hard candy, you know what I mean? Once again, I said this is in the shade Foxglove. This is a very cool, toned grayish, I would say, like a gray brown. I could see this looking absolutely beautiful on really fair-skinned people. Even on me, this is actually one of my favorites. It is kind of a more unique nude in the sense that it has that gray undertone, but it's still very, very brown in a sense. It is a grayish, a gray beige brown mixture, and I really, really enjoy this formula as well. The applicator is a long doe foot, which is okay. It's not my favorite. It still works out, but it could be improved, but you know, you can still get a nice lip line with it. So the next one I have to talk about is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. This is borderline too nude for me. Borderline. I could see this looking very, very beautiful on someone who is lighter than me. This could probably work on folks who are darker than me if you use a lip liner in combination. Because this has such a strong, warm undertone, I think it will flatter a lot of deeper skin beauties. So I actually quite recommend this for a wide variety of skin tones. It is that nice peachy, caramel, orangey undertone nude that is really, really in right now. I love the look of it on myself. Before, I used to think it made me look very sallow and gross, but now I've come to love it. So this is a soft matte lip cream, which means, again, it will not dry down completely. It'll do one of those satin finishes, and it won't suck the moisture out of your lips. The applicator is just a standard doe foot. These smell amazing. They're one of my favorite smells. I have to say that like light vanilla smell, I can really OD on this stuff. I really could. I really could. And this is really nice and compact, really easy for storage. I love that the outer packaging reflects what's on the inside very well, actually. It is an accurate depiction of the product inside. Then the next one I have to talk about is the NYX Slip Tease Full Color Lip Oil. And this is in the color Beyond Basic. Oh my god, I got a mini set of these for Christmas and they are absolutely amazing. I don't know what I've been doing without these my entire makeup life, but they are so slippery on the lips like a lip oil would be. They kind of glide on very easily. They don't tug at the lip and they semi-dry down. They dry down into a comfortable, almost matte finish. It can be a little patchy because it is that slip slidey lip oil texture, but since it is a nude, it is a lot less noticeable, but it is a nice warm brown color. It has a little bit more pink in it, a little bit more of that pink undertone than the hard candy one. So I find it flattering for more warmer complexioned people. So this is definitely one of my favorites. I absolutely love this color. And these are just so comfortable on the lips. They leave a stain. They're very nice. The applicator is exactly like the Soft Matte Lip Creams, a standard doe foot. It's okay, it's not bad, but it's not really that good either. The next one has to be my most worn nude liquid lipstick of all time, and that is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Rebel Rose. I wear this constantly. When I need a lipstick just to go, no makeup on my face, I will slap this on. Full face of makeup, I'll slap this on. Just eyebrows, I'll slap this on. I fell in love with this, especially when I turned blonde. With my dark hair, it didn't look quite as nice. It made me a little washed out and just a little ghostly looking, but now that I do have blonde hair, this looks so phenomenal on the lips. It is just the right amount of that cool tone mauve lip trend that we have going on right now without being overbearing. It's almost like the Anastasia liquid lipstick in So Hollywood, Pure Hollywood? It's a Hollywood. But that is just way too light for me and my complexion. It makes me look like I'm dead. I've been cremated 50 billion times, but this one just brings a little bit more life into me. And I love the doe foot. Well, it's not really, okay, it's kind of a doe foot. It's a foot, it's definitely a foot. It's got that chair shape. It has a well in the middle and it really hugs and cups the lips very nicely. It's easy to get a nice lip line with this. This is definitely an applicator I prefer. This tube is just about done. I can feel how much product is in there and it's not a lot, but I absolutely fell in love with this. This one definitely dries down a bit more. It's not like a powder matte finish. It's kind of more a soft matte finish, so it's a lot more comfortable than the last one I'm about to show you and the one I'm wearing on my lips currently. But these are very long wearing, they last a long time, they don't crumble off the lips, they kind of just fade away very beautifully and gracefully. So this is actually my most worn, most loved liquid lipstick of this bunch. And I could see this working for someone especially lighter than me, a little bit deeper than me. I have a feeling this can look very ashy on you, but with a lip liner, practically anything is plausible. Now the last one I have to talk about is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Coffee. I absolutely love the component. I think it looks so sleek to me. It's a little bit bulky, not gonna lie, it's a little bit bulky. And the applicator is my favorite of the bunch. It is that just nice teardrop shape with the well in the middle. So it picks up a ton of product in one go. You don't have to keep dipping back in. And the teardrop shape just makes it absolutely perfect to get my Cupid's bow just right. If you don't know already, I love Cupid's bow that look like little twin peaks, little twin mountains, if you will. My name does mean mountain, so makes sense. But I love this applicator for that reason. You can get a very precise lip line. Whatever you're doing with your lips, you can definitely do it with this one. This is the driest formula of these. This is a almost powder matte finish. It is not as drying as the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip. That is death. This is just a little bit more comfortable than death, you know? It's like suffocation, but not death. So I think this is a perfect nude for someone who is deeper skin. It is just a really nice, rich coffee. It has that warmth in it so it doesn't look ashy on you. I just want to mention that the NYX Slip Tease lip oil is not the same as the hard candy, although they seem to have swatched the same. On the lips, the hard candy pulls a lot more gray, and the NYX one pulls a lot more pinky brown. So it's a little bit more flattering for a wider variety of skin tones. Okay guys, so that wraps up my videos about my top 5 nude liquid lipsticks. I hope you found any that suit your needs, that will fit your skin tone, fit your criterias. Everything I talked about will be listed in the description box below, as well as whatever's on my face. All the product links and everything will be down below, so check it out if you want to see all that. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you enjoy this type of content, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!